Welcome back to my channel, mga ka-vroom vroom! This is my first vlog on classic motorcycles. We are going to check out the motorcycle mecca. We're here in the classic motorcycle mecca in Invercargill, the home of Burt Monroe's the fastest Indian. Welcome to the motorcycle mecca here in Invercargill, home of the historic Burt Monroe's the fastest Indian. Here it is, guys, the iconic Burt Monroe. The fastest Indian. Woo! Happy days. Over 300 bikes on display, including American bikes, Japanese, European, and British bikes. Bikes made since the 1900's. So they have bikes here made since the 1900's. We have some Harleys. And then the Indian motorcycles. Thor. Harley Davidson. Holy shit. Oh man. The Indian motorcycle. Wow. We also have the classic Japanese bikes, the Hondas. 350. Cool bike. So we have here some classic Japanese bikes. Honda, Kawasaki, Honda, Yamaha, Kawasaki, Honda, CO, Yamaha, Honda, TT, Yamaha, Honda 125, Suzuki, Honda, Suzuki. The Suzuki R5 Honda. Suzuki, Kawasaki, Honda 125. I like that one. Yamaha, Kawasaki. Oil injection. Honda. Oh, I like this one. Honda. Honda. Sports bike. Suzuki. Honda. Suzuki.
Indonesia and Tom Phillips from Australia were also on. The 23-year-old Mike Hill scored a record-breaking win in 88.23 miles.
The Harleys with the sidecar. The Triumph. The Norton. The Norton bikes. The Indian bikes. This one's got the suicide lever. Harley Davidson. Harley Davidson. Look at this Honda. Honda. Norton. Laverda. We also have the Ducati bikes. Bevel Drive. Super Sports. 119 kph 851. Indian Chief. Motos. 1902. 4-stroke engine, 147cc. Moto sa kotse. Then we have the classic Indian bike. Indian Camelback. Solid. 1918. Big sidecar with the pot. BMW RSA. Raleigh. Then we have here the Royal Enfield. Another Royal Enfield. The Rudge Hustler Grand Prix model. And then we have the Triumph. A British bike here. AJS K12. Norton. The Rudge. The Rudge Twin V-Twin. V-Twin, walang ningning. BSA. Ducati. BSA. Triumph. Rouge. Henderson. AJS. Tour. Then we also have the BM again. We have here the Royal Enfield 1936 Enfield Bullet, built like a gun. We have a Vespa, the classic Vespa 1970. We have the 1917 Harley Davidson. Bro Superior Steve 1935. We'll take some photos. Paris Dakar. Whatever this bike, the Norton. Honda 350. Welcome to the motorcycle mecca, Invercargill, the home of the historic Burt Munro's The Fastest Indian. Over 300 bikes on display since the 1900's. My goodness. Wow. Greta, 1955. Bella, R204, 1965 Triumph. Marcoletta, Michaelita. Heinkel, 1965 Triumph Tigres 175. 1960 Prima NSU. 1969 Triumph T10. Ducati Brio 1968. Ducati. Then Motoscoot 145. Motorcycle mecca classic. I am impressed. Sparrilli. Triumph. Do not grudge. BSA Ariel. Too many bikes. Norton. Zenith 1925. A British bike. 680cc. Ariel. Norton Max. Matches. Bro. Superior. BSA. Nimbus, just like a fat bike. Triumph 1927 model. We have the 1912 FN 4-cylinder. Ayop. Belgium. Whatever that is. BMW. Drive my BMX. Ayop. Do not touch. 1959. This is a 1916 modified. Yup. 1914 550cc. 1908 Triumph 475cc. NSU Supermax. Velocity DOCH Clubman. Yup. Triumph. Triumph. Another BMW 1959. Douglas model 1925. Yup. The Triumph 1950. Husqvarna motocross. Yup. Ducati Mechanica 200. This one's also Ducati. The other one is Sparrilli. Moto Gucci. Moto Gucci. Classic, man. Pumi. Rumi. No, it's a Rumi Junior. And then we have the Laverda Sport S. Mars Metz USA Norton 600cc. JS 1936. Royal Enfield 1914. The New Hudson 1915 with pannier. Norton Max 350 1949. Ariel. Too many bikes I can't handle. The new Imperial 1930 350cc. Velocity Norton, Triumph, AJS, Moto, Parwheel. Cycle with the sidecars. We have the classic. We still have the one with the basket. Excelsior, weaker cycle, 1903. 1912, Bradbury, Deluxe. Oh, you. Look at. I really enjoyed touring cars on display. Oh, just like F1 classic. This one, Brian Grant. Oh, yup. Beg FM2. South Island Formula 1600. Oh, yup. So that's it, mga ka-vroom vroom. Just visit the motorcycle mecca located here in Invercargill, New Zealand. Bye for now. See you.